Hey there, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and earlier you guys spoke with my partner Jeff and requested this free video. So today what we're going to do is just go over a few tips you can start applying right away, and it's really going to help with your online presence as well as getting more of the organic leads so you don't have to rely on any type of partnerships or referrals or even those expensive lead programs like Home Advisor. All right. So here we are on your website. You've got a great looking website. I love the call to actions with your click to call phone numbers. I love that you have the form right here. You're making it super easy on your customers to reach you when they need you. I love that you have separate pages for each one of your major services. This is really awesome. This is exactly what you need and what you want to have. This allows you to build content specifically around every single one of these services and to focus on your local buyer intent keywords. The keywords people are actively searching on Google in your area for these services. So that's really, really important. Now, you do want to make sure that all of these pages have their own original content, nothing duplicated, and that you're not going after the same keyword on multiple pages because Google will penalize you for those two things. All right. I would definitely add a location in here so you can have a keyword right up at the top. So you have a huge service area, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Georgia. Holy cow. Okay, so you're definitely going to need service area pages, at least for the major cities that you are servicing that have search volume. That's going to be really critical to be found organically in all of your service areas. So let's see what we have here. A little bit about the company. Interlinking to your pages. That's good. That helps you with your online SEO. Okay. Oh, okay. Does look like you have some pages for service areas. Let's look at one of them. Oh, yeah, that's not good. So these will not help you whatsoever. This is 100% duplicated content of your home page. These pages, service area pages, should be like mini home pages, but with their own original content, and they should be summaries of each of your services and focus on the keywords specific to that city and that service. But these pages are never gonna help you. They're not being indexed properly because of the duplicate content, and you're not going after any of the keywords. Okay, so back to the home page. Let's see, was there anything else? No. Okay, so Google's going to want you to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content or more built around your services and those local buyer intent keywords. Your home page should be the strongest page of your entire website, and it does need to focus on local keywords versus national. Mostly I am seeing branded and national keywords, and unfortunately when you use those national keywords, not only are they harder to rank, but even when you do rank them, because you're a local business, even in this tri-state area, you you're going to get false metrics because national keywords that are ranked, you're going to get people from all over the country landing on your site. Very few people will ever be local, and so they're never going to convert. And the whole purpose of this website is to drive as many local customers to your site as possible so you can convert them into customers. National traffic is not going to help with that. Now, if we look at your top competitor in Charleston, we've got Low Country Foundation Repair. Also have a nice site, call to action. separate pages for each of their services, service area pages. Looks like they serve South Carolina and Georgia, but really don't have much by way of content. So you definitely need to have more content than they do, and really work on your content and keyword strategy. And then you're going to need to support your website with SEO so that you can be found not just locally, but throughout your entire service area. So if we take a look here, this shows us how your website is performing. You have a 7 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which isn't too bad. But this score is 100% based on your backlinks and referring domains. Now, while you do need a lot of these, it's important to understand that not all backlinks work with every type of business, and that not all backlinks are created equal. You need to focus on only getting the ones relevant to your services and industry and that are do follows. They help rank your keywords and help drive that traffic. But Google will only give you credit for one backlink for every referring domain. So anything extra is spam. Now, if we look here, you have 99 that are do follows, which means you actually only have 99 good quality backlinks to your website. You've been indexed for over 300 keywords, but you're only getting 127 people to your website. And a lot of that has to do with the duplicated content and your pages and keywords not being indexed. That's the penalty Google has for that. And part of that is because your brand is a national keyword, and most of the things you're ranking for on the first page are national. That's where most of this traffic is coming from. So you want to stick to local so that the traffic that is coming is actually converting into customers. Now, if we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 10 with 1,700 backlinks and only 168 referring domains, which just proves not all backlinks are created equal. With this many backlinks, this score should be significantly higher. And they only have 80 do follows. So you have to beat their 80 do follow links in quantity and quality. But they have been indexed for over 2,300 keywords, and they're getting over 1,700 people on average to the website every month. So it's going to be really important for you to optimize your website so you can start capturing this kind of traffic as well, or even better. And the last piece of this is the Google My Business profile page. Now, servicing 3 states and multiple areas, you're probably going to want multiple Google profiles. You want to make sure that you're in the top 3 for your service areas and keywords, because 30% of people search in the maps and don't go anywhere else. So when you're not one of these top 3, you send all your leads to your competitors. Now, there are a lot of factors that go in ranking in the top 3, but one of the most important are your citations. That's the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories. And as always, you're going to need to have more of those than your competition. Now, when you follow all of these tips I have provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 across Google for each of your services and service areas. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it helpful, and I would really love to get your feedback. Now, if you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen, and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.